Well, these two just come back from Spain, where they've been attending the Maserati Global Gathering. I do love these old Maseratis. Put a lot of effort into these over the years. Now they've just got back from Spain, where they've been attending the Global Gathering, which is a Maserati club event. Various clubs from all around the world meet up once a year in a different country. This year was Spain. And the owners entered them in the Concours event. Now the coupe got a first place. And the Spider came in second. They're both 4-litre engines, so they're the top of the range. So you know, that's a good result, isn't it? Now, if you've been following the channel, you'll have seen all the work that went into the silver car on the restoration. Things like hand making all this chrome work in brass, just like they did at the factory. And you know how I do the red car. I've been looking after that red car for about 15 years now, so doing all sorts of stuff on that. You know, it is effectively been restored in that time. I've done a load of stuff on it. A lot of stuff about the fuel injection on it, funny enough. I thought in celebration, let's sit down and have a slideshow, look at some of the work that went into them, and a bit of a taster for those that haven't seen the videos to go back and have a look at them, see what it's all about. Or if you have seen them, you might want to go and have a look again. But the owners are very happy, and I must admit, I'm quite pleased with that result, you know.